Making money online has become a popular way for people to generate additional income. With the rise of the internet and digital technologies, it is easier than ever to start making money online. Whether looking for a full-time job, a side hustle, or just some extra cash, there are many ways to start making money online. In this video, we will discuss some key ideas so you can start making money online in 2023. At the end of the video, let us know in the comment section down below if you find any of these useful or if you have any additional ideas that you would like to share with us. So, let's get right into it. Number 1. Freelancing. Suppose you have at least one or more valuable skills, such as website or app development, UX design, SEO, or copywriting. In that case, you could start making additional income via websites such as Upwork or Fiverr. This strategy works fine, as you can work from anywhere and be independent as your clients grow with time. If not, it's time to learn a new skill to help you create wealth. Number 2. Create a product. Every 30 seconds, someone makes over $1.2 million in e-commerce. So, if you want to get into the game of the fastest growing industry in the US, you can create your own product. You can then sell your product on a marketplace like Amazon FBA or create your own store on Shopify or Etsy. Number 3. Social influencer. If you think you have what it takes to go viral on social media, then you'll master how to make money online, as most of the social platforms pay creators for the content they produce, through views, impressions, and etc. The hardest part is finding a niche, but wait no more. Soon, you can be the next internet sensation or at least generate extra cash. Number 4. Video creator. Making videos is hard. Only a few people know how to do great videos and people want to pay for them. So, if you are a detail-oriented, creative, and patient, there are great marketplaces like Fiverr or Upwork where you can find projects to start creating today. Number 5. Day trader. You can make money daily in the stock market. However, this is only for some people, as it requires basic knowledge of the financial markets and a great deal of emotional intelligence to remain calm even when things go south. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog and recurring traffic on a specific topic, you could start making money through affiliate marketing and Google AdSense. But first, you need to connect your website to AdSense and use referral links to drive traffic to platforms like Amazon, which will pay you a percentage of the sale. Number 7. Sell ebooks. There may be better ways to generate income than selling ebooks, but if you find a niche and use the proper channels to promote it, you could start making money as the sales increase. Also, you can link the ebook to services you provide, such as consultancy, video editing, or even digital marketing. These are just a few ideas for making money online. However, use them as inspiration, as the opportunities are countless. So, let's summarize some ways to start making money online now. Number 1. Freelancing on sites like Upwork or Fiverr. Number 2. Create a product and sell it on Amazon or Shopify. Number 3. Become a social media influencer. Number 4. Start making videos on a specific topic like this one. Number 5. Day trading based on the financial market trends. Number 6. Affiliate marketing on your page or blog. And finally, number 7. Create an ebook and sell it. Remember, you control your finances, so press that pedal and speed up. So that's the end of the video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the notification bell so you never miss out on our next videos. Until the next video, take care.